Alright, let's just jump right into it, because what we're looking at today is basically the ultimate high-stakes game for every single driver out there on the road. What if I told you that the difference between an engine that easily coasts past 300,000 miles and one that just catastrophically dies, leaving you stranded on the shoulder with that sickening sound of metal grinding against metal, comes down to one shockingly simple thing? We are talking about some exotic engineering upgrades today. No expensive performance parts or miracle additives. Welcome to this explainer, where we're going to closely analyze the actual literal lifeblood of your vehicle. 15 grand. Yeah, $15,000. That's the devastating figure blindsiding thousands of American drivers every single year. It's the high-end cost of replacing a blown engine today. We are talking spun bearings, sludge-filled blocks, totally fried turbochargers, the whole shebang, complete engine replacements. And you know what the real tragedy is here? In so many of these cases, the root cause isn't some factory defect or bad engineering out of Detroit or Tokyo. It's just neglected maintenance. It is an entirely preventable disaster. But the crazy part about that massive $15,000 bill? Preventing it costs just $50. That is literally less than a typical dinner for two. Changing your oil is the absolute cheapest, most effective insurance policy you can possibly buy for your car. Seriously, ask any experienced mechanic with the single most important maintenance services, and they will all give you the exact same answer, no hesitation. Change your oil. But to really get why this cheap insurance is just absolutely non-negotiable, we gotta look a little deeper. Section 1. Inside your engine, the violent reality. We really need to look under the hood to see exactly why skipping a basic $50 service leads to a massive catastrophic bill. Look, most people kind of just think of engine oil as a slippery liquid to stop squeaks, right? Well, the reality is way more intense. Inside your engine block, it is absolute metal-on-metal violence in there. Pistons are pumping up and down thousands of times every single minute. The crankshaft is rotating at massive RPMs. All these metal components are constantly trying to tear each other apart under extreme pressure and heat. So oil isn't just lubricating, it's actively reducing massive friction, controlling intense engine temperatures, preventing corrosion, and it's actively cleaning, suspending microscopic debris and carrying it safely away to the filter. Without that tiny, microscopic protective film separating those metal surfaces, temperatures would skyrocket in minutes. Parts would violently seize up and your engine would essentially just destroy itself. And this reality is especially crucial when we talk about modern vehicles. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that today, a huge percentage of cars sold in America come equipped with turbochargers. A turbocharger is essentially a high-performance air compressor that forces more air into the engine, making it vastly more powerful and efficient, so you don't need a massive gas guzzler. But there's a huge catch here. Turbochargers generate absolutely enormous amounts of heat. The turbine inside can spin at upwards of 100,000 to 200,000 RPMs. No joke. So they rely heavily, and I mean heavily, on a constant flow of engine oil, not just for lubrication, but for crucial cooling to survive those extreme temperatures. If your oil is old, degraded, or just low quality, it simply cannot cool that turbo. And replacing a fried turbocharger alone, that's going to cost you thousands. So, choosing the right armor for that battle brings us to the great debate: synthetic versus conventional oil. For a long time, enthusiasts would argue if synthetic was actually worth the extra few bucks. Well, today the data is undeniably clear. For modern turbocharged engines, synthetic oil is basically non-negotiable. Why? Because synthetic oils are engineered at a molecular level to resist thermal breakdown far better than conventional oil. Remember that extreme turbo heat we just talked about? When conventional oil hits those temperatures, it literally bakes, oxidizes, and breaks down into this thick, useless sludge that starves your engine. Synthetic oil handles that exact same heat without even breaking a sweat. Plus, it flows significantly better during those freezing cold starts in the dead of winter, meaning you get that vital protection to your engine's moving parts instantly. Section 2. The expert perspective. Prioritizing survival. When you really want to understand vehicle survival, you gotta look to the experts who see these machines torn apart and rebuilt day in and day out. The automotive experts at the Hoang channel point out this really fascinating paradox in human nature when it comes to car ownership. People will gladly drop thousands of dollars on shiny new wheels, loud exhaust systems, sleek cosmetic modifications, you name it. Yet, those exact same people will suddenly get cheap, or just kinda lazy, and totally ignore the $50 maintenance item that protects the engine, literally the most expensive vital component in the entire vehicle. It really is the ultimate paradox of car ownership. I mean, look at this breakdown. We spend thousands on shiny aesthetic upgrades that do absolutely nothing to extend the life of the vehicle by a single day. They are purely for looks. Yet we hesitate to drop 50 to 150 bucks on the very lifeblood that actively prevents engine-killing sludge and catastrophic component starvation. Routine oil maintenance absolutely ensures longevity and maximum turbocharger protection. The math here is undeniably obvious, right? Prioritizing aesthetics over the actual lifeblood of your engine is just a recipe for a very expensive, heart-wrenching disaster down the road. So what do you actually get when you prioritize engine survival? Well, you get an incredible payoff that goes way beyond just avoiding a breakdown. You get enormous, lasting engine longevity that keeps your car on the road for a decade or more. You get daily driving performance that is noticeably smoother and more efficient. As we discussed, you get uncompromised, ironclad protection for those highly stressed, extremely hot turbochargers. And because the engine is experiencing far less internal friction, your fuel economy actually improves, saving you money at the pump. Your vehicle essentially becomes bulletproof in its reliability. And here's the truly incredible part. When it finally comes time to sell, having a documented history of consistent oil changes is literally cash in your pocket. It instantly boosts your resale value because the next buyer knows you actually cared for the vehicle. Section 3. Taking action. The boring secret to success. Okay, so we know why oil is vital. We know synthetic is the absolute best for turbos, and we know it beats buying shiny upgrades. So, how do we actually hit that 300,000 mile mark? First, we really have to navigate the confusing timeline of the oil change interval. For decades, the golden rule of American driving was, change your oil every 3,000 miles, period. But modern synthetic oils and advanced engine engineering have completely changed the game. Now, you'll see owner's manuals recommending 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles. Many modern cars even have these sophisticated oil life monitors on the dashboard that analyze your driving to tell you exactly when it's time. Now, this is genuinely great news, but it's also created a massive problem, because a lot of drivers interpret these longer, modern intervals as permission to just kind of ignore their maintenance entirely. And guys, that is incredibly dangerous. Because here is the real secret. Oil doesn't just wear out based on the miles ticking up on your odometer. It wears out based on exactly how you drive. Think about your daily routine for a second. Frequent short trips to the grocery store where the engine never fully warms up, heavy towing on the weekends, brutal summer heat, freezing cold winter starts, sitting in endless stop-and-go highway traffic, or aggressive driving. If your daily commute involves any of these, you are engaging in what manufacturers explicitly call severe driving. So your specific daily routine might be secretly killing your oil life much, much faster than what that 10,000 mile recommendation in your owner's manual suggests. So how should you actually get it done? Well, if you go onto any automotive forum, you're going to see a massive debate between the passionate do-it-yourself crowd and the professional service crowd. The DIY enthusiasts, they love the control. They love knowing exactly what premium synthetic oil and a high-quality filter are going in, and they view it as a bonding experience with their machine. And that's great. On the flip side, we all know life is incredibly busy. The main reason so many Americans skip oil changes isn't the cost, it's just a lack of time. If you absolutely prefer the convenience of an affordable, professional quick lube shop where you don't have to crawl in the dirt or figure out where to dispose of toxic, dirty oil, that is a perfectly valid choice. Listen to me carefully here. Neither side is wrong. The only wrong choice is letting the busy nature of life convince you to do absolutely nothing. Let's bring this all together, and I really want this to sink in. When you look at ordinary people who have pushed their daily drivers to 250,000, 300,000, or even 500,000 miles, they don't have a magic wand. They don't have special racing engines hidden under the hood. This secret to a 300,000 mile engine isn't magic. It's just boring, disciplined consistency. It's skipping the fancy touchscreen upgrade and spending 50 bucks on synthetic oil instead. Boring prevents friction. Boring cools turbochargers. Boring works. Which leaves us with this one simple question. Will your car last a decade or a lifetime? Your engine doesn't care how nice your paint looks sitting in the driveway. It only cares about continuous, clean lubrication. Every single second your engine runs, that microscopic film of oil is protecting thousands of dollars of complex machinery. So check your mileage today, think about your actual driving habits, and ask yourself, is it time to go book that boring $50 appointment that will literally save your car's life?